I'm working on a 2014 BMW 5 Series, and customer's complaint is there's a clicking noise from the front. So I'm just doing a quick video kind of showing how to diagnose a problem with a front axle just driving the car. Sometimes when you actually lift the car up and you look at the axles, the CV boots themselves won't be torn, they won't be damaged, and there'll be a clicking noise. So without taking it apart and actually, observing the joint and checking for wear and things like that, the only way you can really know is you take it for a spin and check, by the symptoms. So if you cut the wheel all the way to one side and you low speed in a parking lot and you hear a rotational clicking noise, it's probably not coming through the audio too good here, but this car is doing it. It's making a pretty fast-paced clicking noise. That's going to be a outer CV joint usually. I mean, there's other things that can cause this, but for the most part, if you suspect it's a CV joint problem, and when you have the wheel cut, if you have a clicking noise, then it's more than likely going to be an outer CV joint. Inner CV joints won't act this way. Inner CV joints usually aren't as loud. They don't make as much noise, but it'll be more of a performance issue. You'll feel under acceleration, you'll feel a large a vibration, and then it'll go away when you ease off on the gas. It'll actually, the whole car will shake under load when you're accelerating, and then when you get off the gas and coast and roll, it'll smooth out and feel like the car doesn't have a problem. That it'll almost feel like a wheel is bent really bad or something like that. It'll feel like a bent wheel or a bad, out of balance or a shifted belt in a tire or something like that, and then you'll get off the gas and then it'll go away. A tire and a wheel, it won't matter whether you're on the gas or not. It'll still be there. But the axles, being that you're under load, it actually puts it into a position where that the wear is causing a balance issue with the axle. So it'll be more of an inner CV joint problem. Outer CV joints, best way to do it is go into an empty parking lot and cut it all the way one way, drive slow, listen for a clicking noise, cut it all the way the other way, drive slow, listen for a clicking noise, and put it on the hoist. Obviously, if you have a torn CV boot, that would point you in that direction of that joint being bad, being that water got in and stuff like that. But I'm seeing more on BMWs that they don't have to necessarily have a torn boot to have a bad CV joint. They come in all the time, especially these newer models, with bad joints, bad CV joints in the front. So just something to look out for. Thank you. If my video helps you at all, subscribe. Thanks.